Okay, so I finally got a chance to get back working with my Southcoast sailboat. Remember before I had this all ground down, bent the new board, laminate there, and it's time to get that glued in. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the board down really well. It's wood, it's pretty dry, it'll soak it up real well. I'm going to wet that down good. I'm going to wet the fiberglass here down real good after I wipe it off with some degreaser, de-waxer. And then I have some old holes here that was for the brackets right up in here, and I think I can bolt that transom back down with that. That'll give me a good pull, good seal. I got some right there. I might put another one over here, but yeah, these will be drilled out larger than afterwards, taped over, and then filled with epoxy from the other side. So there won't be any intrusion of water after this all gets back together and sealed up, because we don't plan on coming back in here again. Not with me anyhow. But yeah, that's the plan. I'll get some bolts hunted up, tighten them up, and get some epoxy mixed up. Okay, so I found some more bolts and some nice sized washers. And I think I'm gonna do, I'll take the panel and I'll lay it up against the side up there and make sure I get it in the right position. Then I'm gonna clamp it, drill the holes. That way after everything's coated, everything will line up and I won't have to mess with it too much. It's easier to move it around a little bit and adjust it when everything's dry and you're not making a mess. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm thinking this side right here might need trimmed down a little bit more. I might have to take a little bit off of here so that pulls in a little bit better. Might run a little router across there or something. Try and get that off. Try and get that to fit a little bit better. Yeah, so we're gonna take off something like that there. This side's looking pretty good. I'd say maybe a little bit in this area. Knock this off too. Bring that up. Okay, let's get it off and get her clamped down. So I was initially going to go with these so I could suck it down tight in there, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these blocks on the opposite side. I'm going to screw in through. I got some nice fat washers on there. I think these will get me be able to pull down a little bit better. These are just a little too short, so changing plans. Be wiping it down with a good de-waxer, surface prep, clean it all off. Okay, I'm going to start mixing up. I have a fast hardener, but this is the 5-to-1. I'm going to start mixing some up. I'm going to roll this out, get this soaked in. Same with the transom over there, and then add some thickener and see what we got. I always forget to put the gloves on, and then I regret it, so gloves on. This is a 5-to-1 ratio, so look on my pod here. Here's my 5-to-1. I think I'll start out, maybe I'll mix 3. So I'll go to 3 on the first one and 3 to the second one. That'll give me, and this third one here I believe is for thinners and stuff. We're not going to be bothered with that, but we're going to go, we'll start off with 3. We'll go 3 to 3. Mix it really well. Okay, I've stirred this about a good solid 2 minutes. We'll dump this in here. These rollers I use, this is a cloth roller, so it shouldn't melt or anything, but alright, let's get some of this wetted down here. That went pretty well. I need to make up some more. I got her soaked down. I got about 2 coats on here now, so I need to mix up some more. Get some silica thickener in with it. We'll get this. Always make sure you're wearing a respirator whenever you deal with this stuff too. I got my little dust mask on here. Just got to remember this is going to warm up a little bit. We don't want it just all sagging and running down out, so I'm going to keep it on the thicker side as much as I can. We get her put in place. This is looking much better now. Here we go. Yeah, that's more what we're looking for here. keep moving with this stuff because it's warm today. Just start kicking before I get her in place. Boy, that could be a lot of trouble. Try and get her in here quick. Yeah, that's much better there. Okay, we'll see if we can get the bolts in the back side there, get this all lined up. This one will be the long block here. Well, there we go. I got it in. I would have liked to have put some fabric down across that to tie that into the hull, but I put these blocks too close in there. So I'm just gonna have to let that dry, and I'll sand that up, and then I'll tape it right into the structure. But all in all, it turned out pretty good. But yeah, get back the next time, we'll drill the holes out, put epoxy in them, and then we're going to tape the sides in. So stick around.